Hey everyone, I'm Overlander Benny, and today we're going to do a review of a drone I just got. It is the Holy Stone HS110D. Take a look at it here. So we're going to open this up and I'm going to show you what's inside, kind of go through it a little bit, and then I'm going to charge some batteries and we'll take it for a fly. Get some pictures, see what it looks like. Alright, well my tripod's in the car, so I'm going to have to do this holding my phone. But anyway, here we go. Okay, very lightweight. Looks like it's got a fixed camera, charging port possibly, and an on-off button there. A and B props. These are the guards. They will go on those four corners. It looks like they included a little extra set of landing gear. Of course, with all Holy Stone, they give you an extra set of props, the little tools, stuff you need to change it. I'm not sure exactly what that is. I'll open this up and see real quick. I'm going to use both hands. Okay, here's the contents of that bag. We have one small Phillips screwdriver, 2 bags of screws, which is kind of unusual. They usually don't include all the screws, so that's interesting. These look to be the light covers, also I've never seen, and your 4 props, of course 2A and 2B. Oh, it looks like you got an extra battery here. Appears that one is in there still. So I'm kind of surprised how lightweight it is, considering. Squeeze these two together, pull your battery out, and you got the extra. Obviously your charger. Looks like you do have to charge it while it's in the drone, which is not my favorite, because then you can't be flying one and charging one, so that's kind of a pain, but it is what it is. This would be the phone holder that will mount to our remote. It appears it goes right here. You'll stick your phone in there. That thumb screw, this little thumb screw here, which it appears goes through this slot here to hold it in place. It's kind of different. They put a piece of paper on your remote so you can tell what everything does. It's kind of handy for the beginner. Tells you ascend, descend, left, right, forward, backwards, you trim. Very interesting. Haven't seen that from Holy Stone before, so that's new. And I assume all this stuff actually shows, but I'm not positive. I'm assuming it's a light for the camera, the roll, the headless, the normal, and the status. Resync and a speed switches. And like I said, this will tell us what everything else is on there. Come up here. Flips. That's unusual for this size of drone. I haven't had one that flips yet, this size. I've had a couple of good ones that flip, but they're all smaller. And there's your camera stuff. I'd say this drone is about 9 inches across, so you know what you're getting. Okay, we're going to charge the batteries, give it a flight. I'll post some pictures and videos with it, and we'll see how it does, and we'll give you My honest opinion. We'll be back.